If you are still doing old SEO, stop. Google has now changed how SEO works. Instead of showing only links, Google show direct answer using AI. Now big question is how your content will be show up in those answers. Let's keep it simple. Hey, I'm Gaurav Samnotra. I have 15 years of experience in digital marketing. I have seen SEO changes many times, but this change is the biggest one. Because now Google is not just search engine, it's an AI machine. So now the question is, what is an AI mode? Google is now using AI to answer the questions. When someone will search, they may see a short answer, a list of answers, step to solve a problem. It means people are not click on the website anymore. It means some SEO techniques are not useful anymore, like using same keyword again and again, not helpful, writing very short or weak content, not useful. Even the ranking one position is not enough anymore because AI results come first. So here are some new rules that you must follow, like give clear answer. For example, write simple and clear answer, use short sentence, bullet points, step-by-step tips. You must think, can Google pick my answer? Rule number 2, cover full topic. For example, do not write one article. Write many articles on one topic. For example, you want to post about the SEO, then you should write what is SEO, what is AI in SEO, SEO tools, case study. This shows Google you know topic well. Rule number 3 is build trust. Google trust on real people. It means show your name, share your experience, give the real example. Trust is more important now. Rule number 4 is be real, not robotic. It means do not write boring or copy content. Add your opinion, add your experience, add your idea. Make your content feel human. Rule number 5 is focus on user need. Don't think about the keywords. Think what does user want. Solve their problem clearly. Rule number 6 is build your brand. People should know your name. Be active on LinkedIn and other social channels. The more people trust you, more Google trust you. Rule number 7, be everywhere. Do not just depend on your website. Post your content on different platforms. AI looks many places, not just one. So these are the rules that you have to follow and build a simple action plan. Share your experience, fix your weak content, build your personal brand. You have to follow these rules for few months and you will start seeing very good results. So SEO is not dead, but it has changed a lot. The goal is very simple. Be the best answer, not just a website. If you like this video, like and subscribe and tell me in comment what SEO change do you feel most confusing. See you in the next video.